What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. I could not go to sleep before I give you guys all an update on what to expect for AMC tomorrow. So in 4.5 hours, it is currently midnight. In 4.5 hours, trading will be live. Actually, 3.5 hours, trading will be live on Webull. So for people who are trying to get in AMC before trading hours, you can do so on Webull. So quickly here, if you don't have access to the pre-market trading, go ahead and sign up for Webull. You get 2 free stocks when you use the link below. Up to $2,300 worth of 2 free stocks. You could literally take that money, take your gains, and buy AMC with it. Take advantage of it. Click the link in the description. Now back to the point on the video. AMC. Guys, we are on a discount and it is time. Only 1% of shorts are currently covered. 1% of shorts are currently covered. If you didn't see already, earlier this weekend, we know a lot has happened throughout the weekend. I'm not a person who typically covers AMC, but I can't let my viewers and the individuals that I have on my channel miss this potential opportunity. Because I'm not talking about a 2x, a 5x, a 10x. This thing could literally go to the moon. 1% of shorts are currently covered. And what people are expecting this coming week, especially after the naked shorts leak and confirmations that we got, that there are true naked shorters out there, is that the short squeeze is inevitable. The short squeeze is going to happen for AMC. It can happen as early as tomorrow in the pre-market. That's when it's going to start. And it could drag on and prolong throughout the whole week. But I can't have you guys miss this opportunity. AMC, ticker symbol, AMC. AMC Entertainment. Don't get AMCX. It's potentially going to the moon, folks. Now, why? Right? What is the reason? There's a Reddit post that has been trending around, and I need you guys to focus in on this one. Goldman Sachs, Citibank, Bank of America, and Jefferies are out, limiting short sales on AMC, other highly shorted meme stocks as well. So this was something that someone posted with 3,000 upvotes. So again, I tried to confirm it with some of my other friends who are actually in AMC and individuals who have been investing in the long term, and they said this is all factual. But here, so he said, I confirmed with my friend who works for one of these banks. There are, so Goldman Sachs and all of these are out. They're completely out. They are no longer going to be in these. There has been a top-down directive from the CEOs to manage risk after various screw-ups this year, i.e., different things there, naming Revlon or Archegos. As such, the chief risk officers are given their prime brokerage units a hard stop to trading in certain securities, namely AMC this week. There have been many tough decisions and conversations behind closed doors to have unified front between banks and their profitable hedge fund clients. This type of coordination between banks is similar to what was done on Huang of Archegos, expect the ones in this article, i.e. Goldman Sachs, to front run all the other banks and cut off credit lines, naked shorts, and synthetic positions in AMC, GMA, and highly shorted stocks with over 15% short interest. AMC, Fintel.io, we could see that the short volume ratio is currently at 19%, which again is actually undermined. I think the number is truly a lot higher. Expect the banks to work with the weekend to figure out net exposures to all hedge funds, both pure and synthetic, to get a better picture of total net short exposure. Rumor is the SEC is all over this and is inside the offices of every bank this week. Expect more fear, uncertainty, and doubt and market manipulation next week, and more stuff said on CNBC and other hedge fund FUD outlets, Benzinga, Motley Fool, it's Yahoo, all these different things, Yahoo Finance. The only media outlet anchors that are on the ape side right now is Charles Payne at Fox and Melissa Lee at CNBC. We know what Melissa Lee said, exposing basically the naked shorts. As for the rest of the media haters, just watch the body language, how emotional, how much they waffle on their words, and how they cannot provide a source for any of their claims. They are not on our side. They are there to hate on the apes, the memes, the AMC, so they can secure another hedge fund interview. Next will be very, very interesting. Not just the next week, tomorrow, Monday. Guys, we are getting prepared for potentially the biggest squeeze of not just the year, but maybe the decade, maybe the century. This really might be the one and only opportunity each and every one of us is going to have during our entire lifetime. And I don't want people to miss out on it, but understand that it comes with huge risks. I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, right? Because I'm not a financial advisor. My videos are just trying to put you guys in the place that I'm in. Full disclosure, I got into AMC very late at $39. It ran up all the way to $70 or so. I took some profits off the top. I'm letting the rest ride the wave. But guess what? Now that we've come tumbling back down with all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, in the last day, just the last trading day, which was Friday, down about 8.7 plus about 6.7%. So again, looking at an almost 15% drop in price. This is a reasonable time to potentially get back into AMC if you're someone that's interested. Be careful. That's why I'm telling you guys about Webull, to get your 2 free stocks and have the ability to trade in the pre-market and the aftermarket. Because guess what? As soon as the pre-market hours are open, AMC is going to start to rise, in my opinion, because of all the things that have come about in the media. All the different, a lot of attention right now is on AMC. It's going to be the most watched and most traded, right? It's going to exchange so many hands. The volume is going to be outrageous. And I just want to tell you guys, I'm extremely bullish and I'm excited to join Ape Nation in this movement because, again, this is only going to be the beginning. We're not going to just go back to all-time highs. This thing is going to start to squeeze. 1% of shorts are currently covered. That needs to be 100%. So we're not, 1% of shorts are only covered, guys. This is not, something that's going to 10x. No. If 100% of the shorts have to cover, as we continue to increase buying pressure, because these shorts are going for what? $15 price targets, $13, $20 price targets maybe. If we get buying pressure going, we get this thing skyrocketing day after day, buying and hodling, right? Holding on for dear life, diamond handing through the next volatile days, understanding that you have an exit strategy, right? I'm sure you guys all are aware of trades and the other guys that have been doing this for a really long time. But if you're someone that is trying to get in on AMC, right now, I think it's at a reasonable discount. That's why I told you guys in the pre-market, gonna set my alarm, hopefully buy some AMC shares before the run-up starts. Because again, I think we're gonna open green, but not only green, we're gonna open very green. And we're gonna see by the market open, we'll see. Right? This is a timestamp in time. We'll come back and review to make sure, was I right or was I wrong? Again, I don't know for sure, but the options volume is ridiculous. And you can look at all this. Use FinTel. Use your own due diligence and research to find out, what is the current short squeeze potential, the short sale volume, what are the borrow rates, failure to deliver rates. All these things are super, super important for each and every one of us to understand and embrace. And that's why I think, again, AMC, people saying AMC to 100K, with the leaked information that is coming out and these confirmations that we're getting, this should give us conviction and dedication, right? I know the use of the word dedication is not one we really hear of, but being dedicated to the stock and understanding that we are part of this movement, apes binding together strong, guys, we're ready for takeoff. So again, just wanted to make sure you guys got this update before I go to sleep. I am super tired, so I'm going to get some rest now. But until next time, everybody, keep investing.